Take a ride in the 2012 Dodge Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, stability control, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, floor mats, cruise control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, climate control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.